Hi, today we're making a pandan pound cake. We'll start by heating milk with 2 to 3 pandan leaves. Let the leaves steep for 5 to 10 minutes in the milk as it cools, then strain it and set the milk aside. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour with baking powder and salt and stir to combine. We'll also set that aside. Using a mixer, beat butter and sugar for 3 to 4 minutes and then add eggs, sour cream. We'll also add a bit of pandan paste and then add the dry ingredients and pandan milk, alternating them in batches. Beat until the batter is smooth. Fold in unsweetened coconut and chop white chocolate if using. Transfer the batter into a greased bundt pan. Bake at 325 degrees for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes or until the tester comes out clean. Turn onto a wire rack to cool. And to make a quick glaze, whisk together cream cheese, powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. We'll drizzle that on the cooled cake and top with toasted coconut. And enjoy! For the full recipe and notes, visit craftstocrumbs.com.